You might think you're broke because you don't earn enough money. But the real reason might surprise you. Many people stay poor not because of income, but because of the daily habits they repeat without even thinking. In this video, we're going to break down 8 common money habits that silently keep people broke, and I'll show you how to fix them. Before we dive into the first habit, do me a quick favor. Hit the like button, subscribe to Money Blueprint, and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our future tips that can help you take control of your money and grow your wealth. The first habit that keeps people poor is living above their means. A lot of people focus on looking rich, buying expensive clothes, flashy gadgets, or luxury items, instead of actually building real wealth. The problem? These purchases don't make you rich. They keep you trapped in a cycle of debt and financial stress. The second habit is not tracking your money. If you don't know where every dollar goes, it's almost impossible to save or grow your wealth. Without a budget or spending plan, money slips through your fingers without you even noticing. And over time, small leaks add up to big problems. Now, the third habit is depending on just one source of income. If your entire financial life relies on a single paycheck, any disruption, like a job loss, illness, or emergency, can throw you into serious trouble. Building multiple streams of income is one of the simplest ways to protect your financial future. Habit number 4 is buying liabilities instead of assets. Many people spend money on cars, gadgets, or trendy items that actually lose value over time. The rich, on the other hand, focus on assets, things that grow in value, like investments, property, or businesses. Learning the difference is key to building wealth. Habit 5 is ignoring investing. Saving money is great, but if your money just sits in a bank account, it isn't growing. Investing allows your money to work for you, building wealth even when you're not actively earning. Habit 6 is following the crowd blindly. Just because everyone else buys the latest gadget, invests in a trendy stock, or spends money on certain things doesn't mean it's right for you. Successful people think for themselves and make financial decisions based on their goals, not what's popular. Habit 7 is fear of taking calculated risks. Playing it too safe can prevent you from creating wealth. Every millionaire you see today took risks at some point, calculated risks that had the potential for big rewards. The key is knowing which risks are worth taking. Habit 8 is focusing only on the short term. Spending all your money on small, immediate pleasures might feel good today, but it won't help you in the long run. Real wealth is built by thinking in years, planning ahead, and making smart financial choices consistently over time. Breaking these habits can completely transform your financial future. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Money Blueprint, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our videos on money, investing, and wealth-building strategies. Your financial journey starts with small changes, so take action today.